Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Today we are going to start a new series on this channel named Travel Gadget Guide. In this series we will introduce you to gadgets that can make your travel hassle-free. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first gadget we have is the Billion 10,000 mAh power bank, which is exclusively available on Flipkart. At the back we have various features of the power bank. It has a lightweight design and has a 7-way protection and safety features, and also has 3 charging ports. So here we have the power bank. Along with the power bank comes the warranty card, which promises a warranty of 1 year. It also has the USB cable to charge our phones or devices. This power bank weighs only 260 grams, making it lightweight and portable, and thus an ideal gadget for travel. This is available in 2 color variants, black and copper, but we got the black one. With the capacity of 10,000 mAh, it can fully charge a phone with a battery of 3,000 mAh up to 2.4 times before it runs out of charge. It supports for multi-device charging. With 3 USB ports, this power bank can be used to charge mobiles, Bluetooth headsets, smartwatches and more. It also comes in with an incorporated LED light. As mentioned earlier, it comes with a 7-way protection, which includes temperature protection so that the power bank does not overheat while charging our devices. It also comes with short circuit and overcurrent protection. By pressing the power button for 2 to 3 seconds, we can activate or deactivate the LED light in the power bank. The USB cable given can be used to charge our mobile phones or the power bank itself by connecting it to any of our mobile charger head. So that is it for part 1 of Travel Gadget Guide. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and also hit the bell button when you subscribe, so you will be notified when we upload a new video. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.